I found Houston Builders Inc. online when I decided to remodel. I wanted to find a good, reputable builder contractor in the Houston area. What made me decide to remodel my bathroom is I actually had some flooding, unfortunately, and the flooding caused quite a bit of damage. And with that, I decided to just go ahead and remodel the entire bathroom. We also had some unexpected plumbing issues that came about, and I was really, although it was hard to realize that those came about, Joseph was so great and he helped me find 3 different plumbers to get the best solution that worked for me so that we didn't have a lot of delays in the project. The quote was excellent and it was in line with a couple of other bids I got, but the difference to me was Joseph's customer service, his promptness, his ability to communicate well with me about what to expect during the project, the pricing, the contract, all of that. He was extremely communicative. Remodeling the bathroom went really well. Joseph was our project manager and I never had to wonder who would be here, what time they would arrive. I was always prepared and told the day before at least who would be here, what the plan would be for the day, whether it was tile or plumbing or demo. He was always letting me know what was going to happen, how long they would be here, or if they needed anything. I've had a lot of friends do some renovations and have heard nightmare stories about not being able to reach their contractor or their contractor going missing for a week or so. That never happened with me. I never had to wonder what was going on the next day. It was so easy to work with the team at Houston Builders Inc. And I will be reaching out to Joseph and his team if I do any more renovations because they were so easy to work with. I wanted to go from a tub and shower to a walk-in shower. I love the walk-in shower. It's so easy to get in and out of. It's a calm and relaxing place within my condo, which is wonderful. Highly recommend their team.